That said, we have Diya Mirza and Dhanraj Pillai both here at the St. Andrews High School ground here. Of course, Diya, thank you for joining us at the NDTV Nirmal Lifestyle Marks for Sports campaign. And I think first you should have a hockey stick in your hand.
What all do you want me to hold? Thank you for having me.
I'll hold the t-shirt here. I think if you can, teach her, Diya, how to whack a hockey ball.
Before you say anything, I have to say that I'm an ardent admirer of you, and I'm always privileged and honored to be in your presence.
So, Diya, this entire campaign, of course, about marks for sports, that it's critical that children get inculcated, that the sporting culture in the country gets inculcated. This is one of the ways we can go ahead of doing it.
It's a part of holistic education. I don't believe that any education is complete without A, giving sport a priority, and B, making it just as important on your mark sheet or your report card as any other subject is.
Okay, so this is critical that, children come here, and that's what Dhanraj has been doing the entire day, teaching them something about sports, something about his favorite sport, hockey, which of course India is once India's favorite sport. Now it's gone back because of cricket as a problem. But why don't you learn today how to whack the hockey ball? What have you played in your young days?
Well, unfortunately, and I'm really embarrassed to say this, that even though it's our national sport, I never played hockey growing up because it was just not a favorite team in school. We used to go into school early before even assembly started to be able to squeeze in a basketball match. We'd stay back after school to play football, volleyball, cricket, kabaddi, you name it, but it was never hockey. So I've actually never really... So today is my big day.
Here's your chance. Why not only hold, just teach her, Dhanraj, how to whack a hockey ball. Dribble, this is. We call dribble.
Yeah, this is like...
And this is like... Ow! The ball.
White rice. Okay, all I think I might be able to manage to do is to hit the ball. That was so bad.
Come on, once again. You have to give it another shot.
Okay. So this, like this. Okay, very good. Not bad.
Come on, give it a little harder. All the children are looking forward to a nice goal.
Look up, yeah, look at her. Come on. Okay. If she's
It's a pink ball. I mean, how inappropriate is
Want me to hold that?
Okay.
Photographer.
Okay.
Next one.
Not bad. See, I'm going to get
3 more. Try and
Stop.
come fast. Yeah. Watch, yeah.
I'm already getting better.
2 more.
There's a bit of dribbling now. Dribbling. How to dribble.
It's just not fair. You have the ace hockey player in the country come in and do this.
You can teach him how to act
I'm
after
back.
that.
This just makes me look worse.
You teach him how to act after that. No problem. Come on. Show us how to dribble. Yes, it's over. Okay.
This is obviously not half as easy as it looks. This is tough work.
Nanda, let's go on the stage there.
And there's
Let's
a
just talk
reason
to
why-
the kids a little bit. Let's meet all the kids there. It's important to, talk to them and let them know exactly as to what we are doing here. Let's just go right there.
Okay, wait. I'm right here, not ma'am.
Come, Diya, come.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.